Welcome back to Meditation with Rene. I am Rene, and this is our daily meditation 10-minute retreat. The session, of course, will last 10 minutes. As always, find somewhere comfortable. You can either be sitting on the floor or in a chair. Let's begin by closing your eyes if you feel comfortable. If not, leave them open. We will start with breathing through the nose, in and out. Sit upright in a dignified position, but still somewhat relaxed. What is the benefit of this mindful meditation? Why are we taking 10 minutes for ourselves? Why are we detaching from our cell phones and other people? We are taking time for ourselves to reduce distractions, ultimately so we can connect with ourselves. Why do we focus on the breath? We are using the breath as an anchor point. We are trying to focus on the present, and the breath allows us to be present by focusing on that. Oftentimes, we think about the past, things that happened, conversations, relationships that's already happened. Or we focus on the future, about things that have not happened yet. By focusing on the past or the future, we are not present. Being present allows us to connect and befriend ourselves. Not thinking about something in the past, it could have been better, it could have been worse, or in the future, better for worse. It's presently. We are present or presently with ourselves. And appreciating life now. We can't change the past, and the future may not come, but right now is truly all we have. It's the saying, take time to smell the roses or flowers. Take time now. Be aware of what's going on right now in the present moment. Good job. See you tomorrow.